Hello and welcome to Proceedo Supplier Center. This is the web interface for you as a supplier to a customer that use Proceedo for e-commerce. In the Supplier Center portal, you can receive order and issue electronic invoices. You can also post catalogs or other EDI messages. In this clip, we're going to focus on how to create credit invoices. To create a credit invoice, go to Invoices in the navigation menu and then choose Create Credit Invoice. You will then see a customer list of active customers who use Proceedo and who is okay to invoice via the Supplier Center portal. I select the customer that I want to create a credit invoice to, in this case demo sales, click Show, and then I choose the purchasing organization, in this case demo Proceedo. I will now create a credit invoice, and I do that exactly the same way as I create a debit invoice. I enter an invoice number. I also need to add the order reference, invoice date, delivery date, and payment date is automatically added by the Supplier Center. If you go down here, you need to check the customer and supplier contact information addresses. You also need to add the invoice reference number. You can add invoice comment and attachments. When you come down to the order lines, you add them as a debit invoice, same way. You can add more order lines if needed by clicking on the enter button when you're in a list here, but you can also delete by clicking on the delete button to the right. You do not need to fill any negative amounts. The system automatically detects that this is a credit invoice. When you're satisfied and want to check how this credit invoice will look like, click on the update button. You will then see an overview on how the credit invoice will look like. It's not created yet. You can click back to go back to make changes, but you can also click send to create this credit invoice. And now we've seen it says credit invoice sent, the date and time. And now you can choose to print, create a new invoice or save. So now we have learned how to make a credit invoice in Proceedo Supplier Center.